Bienvenidos. Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be learning the letter L. It is pronounced L. L. This is a very important letter. Let's review the sounds with the vowels. La, le, li, lo, lu. We'll say them again and make sure you repeat as well. La, le, li, lo, lu. The L can also go after the vowel, and it would sound as al, el, il, ol, ul. Let's try it again. Al, el, il, ol, ul. If you're new to the class and you haven't watched the previous classes, the links are on the description, but it's very important that you watch them first because we're building what we're learning on those classes to make longer sentences. Let's start with the first sentence. How does this word sound? L plus A is la. Then we have L-U, which is lu, and P-A, which is pa. We learned about the letter P on a previous class. Es, M-I, mi, a. La lupa es mía. La lupa es mía, and it means the magnifying glass is mine. So again, you can see, as long as you know the vowel sounds and then the consonant sounds, you can pair them up and you can sound them out. Let's look at a second sentence. This is a name. It's Lola. This word's a little bit longer and more complex because it has L-I-M. So we're going to read li, and then we're going to add the M sound, which is lim, lim. And then we're going to do the P sound with the E, P, A, limpia. The vowel sound is going to be there. You just have to break it down. L-A is la, and then we have M-E, me, S-A, sa. Lola, limpia, la mesa. Lola limpia la mesa, which means Lola cleans the table. So make sure you're practicing the pronunciation. It's very important for you to practice because that's how you're going to learn and memorize the sounds. In these classes, we're not really going to go into grammar, but I wanted to show you why the letter L is very important. It's important because it makes up the articles in Spanish. So the word da, it has different meanings depending on the noun and the gender of the noun. La, pala, again it's L-A, la, P-A, pa, L-A, la pala. It means the shovel. And then we have las. So we're going to read L-A, la, and then add the S sound, las. And this one's very similar. We're just going to add O at the beginning. Olas. las o las, the waves. And then we have el, so we have the vowel e, and then L, el, sol. E, L, el, S, O, so, and then we add the L sound, l, sol. And it means the sun. And then we have los, L-O-S, osos. Los, it's the L-O plus the S sound, los. We have the O as a standalone vowel, S-O, so, and then we're going to add the S at the end. Osos. It means the bears, los osos. I just wanted to put this out there again. This is not a grammar class, but the L is very important. And as you can see, if you're new to Spanish, the word the has many meanings in Spanish. And this is something we'll review in different classes as we get into grammar more. But be sure to learn the L and how it sounds together with the vowels. As we progress in the course, we're going to practice with longer sentences, and we're going to be able to practice more of these combination sounds as well. So right now, just go with the flow, practice with the lessons, and as we progress in the classes, we're going to be able to practice more. And if you are also repeating and working on your pronunciation, it's all going to come together at the end of the course. That's all I have for you today. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.